And si Paolo yung naging parang acting coach ko doon, dahil babahan pa ako. But this is actually, well, for me, Pao first time ko na mako-work with Paolo. And I've always wanted to work with him. And finally, given great material and with Viva and Rain Entertainment, work na po ako by finally.
Parang first na rin natin kasi nung sa kasal si Derek lagi yung ka-eksena niya. So, dito lang po kami nagkasama talaga ng isang buong project.
Okay. So how was it working with each other?
Okay naman po, parang well, prior to, hindi naman naging sobrang awkward because prior to shooting the film, marami kaming parang script readings, workshops, so inayos namin yung characters namin. But yung discover ko kay Kai, kasi nag-shoot kami sa Singapore, talaga siya, head turner. Kumbaga, minsan nahihiya na akong tumabi sa kanya kasi lahat ng lalaki sa kanya nakatingin baka mapaaway pa ako.
Wow! No, wala kaming ilangan because, well, to me, I think we were friends. We were friends before, and we've been friends for a couple of years, and that makes it easier to work as characters and as actors. Na-discover ko kay Paolo, I always found him very quiet, very mysterious, and he kept the same persona all throughout the shoot. But I really respect him as an actor. I think he's one of the best actors out here, and yeah, very maalaga siya sa scene, and we work together well. Yeah.
Okay, last na lang, bonus. And Pao, ano yung feeling mo dito sa mga nangyayari sa'yo?
I really love working with him. I agree. I think he's one of the hottest actors right now. But more than that, magaling talaga siya na actor. I really look up to him. What he did here in the film, iba yung pinakita niyang character from all the other projects I've seen with Paolo. He's very diverse. Iba yung elevator boy na pinakita niya dito. And with the story, we were both able to showcase two different characters.
I'm grateful na you know, after the pandemic, ang dami nangyari sa mga buhay nating lahat. Parang nung mga panahon na yan, parang syempre nami-miss mo rin umarte, nami-miss mo rin, kailangan mo rin magtrabaho para kumita. But I'm very grateful dahil I have 2 shows na umi-air ngayon, and also sumakto yung air date namin for Elevator. And it wouldn't have happened if hindi ako tinanggap ng mga manonood. So I'm thankful for our TV audience, and not just our TV audience. Now I'm hoping I'm hoping the film will do good, and I'll be able to thank the moviegoers properly.